What do condoms and turn signals have in common? If people used them, there would be no accidents. Congratulations, you're a dad.
What? Stop, go, stop, slow down, stop, go, slow down, stop, slow down, go, slow down, go. Confusing? How about this one?
Huh? How's the signal light blinking so fast?
How do you know it's faster?
Because when I push it the other way, it's slower.
Oh, why is it different?
I'm not sure.
Who would know?
Let's ask Dad.
Do you guys know why the signal light is blinking fast?
Burnt.
Burnt? What's burnt?
White.
The signal light?
Yeah.
Okay, so which way is it? Which way is fast? Left or right?
Left.
Left. So when the signal light is fast on the left, normal on the right, which means the bulb that's burnt
It's on
the
left.
signal light, it has to be on the left. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the one that's working, and we'll check out to see if the light works, and then we'll turn on the one that doesn't work,
Okay.
and we'll see what happens. You can see that this light is working, it's flashing. We're going to turn the signal light on the other one. It's on, but it's not flashing. You want to do the other side again? See, the other side's working. You want to try this side? So this side's not working. Next thing we should do is check to see if there's any other lights that is not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the lights, see if both lights work. Oh, here. Yeah, we have light. This light's working, but this one doesn't seem to be working. Those are the high beams. You want to try low beams? Do you want to start the car? There we go. So the driving lights, or the low beams, that one's working. And this one's working. You want to try the high beams? That high beam is working. This high beam is not working. Okay, we may as well check to see the tail lights and the brake light if they work. Here and here, they're both on. Over here, this one's on. This one doesn't look like it's on. Okay, let's try the signal light. That one works. That side works.
Clear light 4.
The clear light. Brendan, can you put it in reverse? The clear light is for your backup lights. As you can see, this one's working. The other one's also working. So let's go to the store. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back from the store and we got
the headlight, signal light, and the backlights.
So what we have to do is we have to open the hood. Yep. Push it up. And then automatically goes on. Woo. We have low beams, high beams, and single light. So it's this light we have to change. So go back here, and all you have to do is grab onto on the nipple kind of thing, and then twist it. And then you pull out. That doesn't come out.
Like that.
Yeah. It might be a little bit. So you have to twist it to the left. Counterclockwise. There you go. That was pretty easy.
Yeah.
To install the single light, all you have to do is pull the old bulb out. Just like that. And then install the new one.
Does it go in a certain way or no?
No, they should work. Just put it in. Should go one way, or either way should work. Snap. Okay, the key before putting it back in is
Test it.
test it.
Yeah, it's working. Yep, it works.
It's working.
Yep.
Once the light bulb is in and it's working, now it's time to put it back. So this time you turn it clockwise.
Good.
Nice, good, nice
Yeah.
and snug. Next thing we want to replace is the high beam light. And to have access to that, we have to go to the back, and it's just like the single light where you have to remove the light.
How?
Grab it and then turn it to the counterclockwise. Just like that. Ah, look at that. And that's why it's not working. It's actually broken. So as you can see, for the new light, it comes with the adapters on it. So we don't really have to remove the light, we have to remove the bottom part. You see these clips here? We have these clips here, we have to kind of push and pull. And that's how it's done. And then the other one just snaps right in. So they told me before to make sure to measure the bulb to make sure that it will fit. It's hard to tell when it's broken.
It's kind of broken. It's hard to tell.
We have to change both lights because both of them are going to be like, if it'd be weird to have one brand new, the other one an old one. So these newer ones, they're kind of a bluish tinge to it. So one's going to be bluish and the other one's going to be white, and it's going to be weird. So they recommend that we change both, and that's what we're going to do. Yeah, just remove it from the housing. Well, yeah, there you go. Okay, with this one, let's measure to see if it actually the same size.
That's hot.
That is hot. Yeah, looks like it's the same size. So this is where we have to push this guy right here, and it goes out. You can actually push on this tab, push down, and hold it, and then pull the bulb out, just like that. Now install the new one. They recommend that we do not touch the bulbs with our fingers. Apparently the grease or the fat from your fingers decreases the lifespan of the bulb. So to install the light, just put it into the housing, and push hard till you hear a clicking sound. And remember, without touching the bulb. Do you want to try to pull it out, see if it actually pulls out?
Not coming out.
Okay.
So it must be in.
Must be in. Now let's insert it into the housing. So remember, it's slotted. So the big one goes with the big one. Small one goes in the small one. Once it's in, turn it clockwise. So you have to kind of keep it, make sure it's flat on all the way around. So if it's not flat, then it's not going to turn. We're testing out the light bulb that we installed. We're going to start with the single light is working. Ooh, is yours working?
Yeah.
It's got a blue tinge to it. Very good. Okay, try the low beams. Both working? They're both working. Last thing we need to do is
Put in the taillights.
put in the tail light. So how do we have access to the tail light?
To the trunk.
We have to go through the trunk. So therefore we have to pop up the trunk. It's right here. To have access to the tail light, you want to sneak into the trunk.
That's what it's gonna do.
Okay, so we have to open up the panel at the back. It's the same setup as the single light.
Well, this
So this is the one at the top.
at the very top.
At the very top.
Okay.
To get
I
it.
can't turn it.
Can't turn it?
No.
Try it again. Use some muscles.
That's what I'm doing. Oh, there we go.
There you go. Okay.
There. And then just yank it
Is
out.
this the same kind of bulb?
No.
Not really, is it?
No.
Well, that's not good. They gave us the wrong set of bulbs. Can you pull the bulb out?
I'll squish it so it breaks.
Is the bottom the same? Same width?
Might be.
It's just the bulb that's bigger.
Yeah.
You want to give it a try?
Sure.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Does it matter which way it goes in?
It shouldn't matter.
Okay, well.
So I don't know, the bulb, hopefully it'll fit without hitting,
Okay, so it went in.
because it's pretty big.
Yeah.
Well, if you could put it in and twist
Yeah.
it, looks fine.
Yeah.
Okay, last thing we need to do is,
Dust it.
that's better.
That's really bright.
So as you can see, it's much brighter. This is how you replace a headlight, single light, and a tail light.